So we've had our first night in the van here at Woodhorn, Queen Elizabeth II Lake in Ashington, just outside Ashington. If you look on Park for a night, you'll see this on there. And somebody said that the cave, it wasn't a nature reserve because it's marked as a nature reserve. As you can see, quite a big lake. And if you look behind me there, there's millions of swans, ducks, all sorts of birds sort of kicking around. So yeah, it is a bit of a nature reserve. Nice walk around the lake as well. Haven't done that yet because we've got to go to work. Premier Inn behind us, and there's a pub at the corner of that as well. Obviously it's shut at the moment because of lockdown, but yeah, it's a kind of place to stop. We weren't bothered by anybody. Police came and had a drive through during the night. Didn't come and give us a knock or anything like that, so all good. So yeah, as far as the van goes, a couple of things that we need to sort out. Once we've done that, then we're all good. But it's nice, comfy night, to be honest. Extremely windy, if you know. It's the 29th to the 30th of March, so you'll know what the winds were like, sort of thing. So yeah, all good. As I say, this is where we woke up to this morning. We must admit we have disappeared and getting ourselves a coffee and come back before we go to work. So cheers now, bye bye.